Hi guys, welcome to RKIT Helpdesk. Today we are going to learn about type of IP addressing. There are two type of IP addressing. One is a private IP address, one is a public IP address. So whenever our systems, any mobile, any computer, any laptop, any server connected to internet, it will have a two IP addresses. One is a private IP address, another is a public IP address. So first I will show you what is our private IP address. Private IP address will get from our local router or server. Here we configured DHCP server. Okay. In my scenario, I have configured local router, so I am getting private IP address from my local router. Go to run, type ncpa.cpl. It will open network connections. So I have connected via Wi-Fi. Just right click on this. Go to status, details. So I got this private IP address from my router. It is 192.168.43.172 and subnet is 255.255.255.0 and gateway is 43.1 and DHCP server also 43.1 and DNS also 43.1 because all three are same because everything configured on my router. DHCP server also configured on router, DNS also configured on router. There is no any separate servers for these servers, DHCP and DNS. So, and this private IP address we got from router. Router has allocated this IP address to my system. We can reserve this IP address on router also, and we can configure it manually also. For allocate private IP address manually, just go to properties, IP version 4, properties. If you keep it automatically, it will take IP address from DHCP server. In my scenario, router is acting as a DHCP server. That's why system taking IP address from router. Now I will configure IP address manually. Type 192.168.43. It is 172, so I will change it as a 170. There is no problem. We can keep any IP address within a range, but this IP address is not allocated to any other system. We need to take care about that. 192.168.43.1 gateways and DNS also same 2.168.43.1. See, just check internet is working on your system. Yes, internet is working. Internet is working means we are configured IP address properly. Okay. If you change something in IP addresses, you can't access internet. Let's check that also. I will change something here. I will change here one digit. Let's check it. See, it is giving warning. The default gateway is not on the same network segment. That is defined by IP address and subnet mask. Do you want to save the configuration? I will save it. After that, we are not able to access internet because this default gateway and this IP address is not in same network, and they will not communicate to each other if you save this. Let's check it. I will check it. See, we are not able to click this. Means we are not able to access it. Google. See, we are not able to access it. We are not able to access with this misconfiguration. Let's roll back it. First, I will make it 43 again. And go to browser. See, after changing the IP address, internet is working fine. Okay, so you understood about private IP addressing. How system will get private IP address from local router, and how we can configure it manually. So let's check now public IP address. For find the public IP address, we need to type here public IP address. What is my IP address? We can type here. What is my IP address on browser? What is my IP address.com? See, a lot of websites are there for find our public IP address. So see, there is two IP addresses are there. One is a IP version 6 and one is IP version 4. These are the our public IP addresses. Private IP address will help us to communicate with router, local router, and public IP address will help us to communicate with our internet, means internet router. Our local router will communicate with your router with this public IP address, and our system will communicate with our local router with private IP address. Hope you understand the video. Please do share, comment, and subscribe RK IT Help Desk. Thank you for watching.